I'm going to be turning Dollar Tree oven mitts into some winter mittens that I'll be hanging on my front door. And I'm going to use this faux fur scarf, also from the Dollar Tree, to make some fuzzy furry cuffs at the top of those. Since these oven mitts are different on the back side, I had to kind of figure out how I was going to arrange them to look like they're a left and right hand instead of both right-handers. So I'm going to be lapping them over like so. And then I'm going to measure out how much I need to cut for the faux fur at the top. And you can put your mittens that way if you like. I just want them both to be sparkly, showing. So here I am cutting across that faux fur scarf, and I'll measure out just enough to lap over both sides, and then I will glue that down. Now this scarf is in 2 different layers. So right here I just pulled the whole piece over, and then I realized it wasn't sticking all the way through, so I had to pull back there and put some more hot glue. And then when I got to the other side, I had my smarticles running, so I pulled over that bottom layer first, as you'll see here. And then I put more glue for the top layer. And then I'm just going to make sure it's secure all the way down both sides with the hot glue. Once I had the sides stuck down, I just tucked that top part in. I'm not going to try to get my hot glue gun in there, so I'm just going to tuck it down. It's really not going anywhere. And you'll see me adding little more dots of glue here and there, just to make sure I've got a nice straight line that's fitted to the oven mitt. And now I'll glue them together, just putting some hot glue down where the mitts are touching. Before I start stuffing my little mittens with some winter floral picks, I wanted to mention that today's video is part of an open collab called Winter Wonderland, and I'm co-hosting with my friend Becky over at Simply Becky DIY. You'll find a playlist link in the descriptions, as well as a link for Becky's channel, so be sure you visit those when you're finished here. Now I'm going to arrange a couple of little picks with some things that I got on clearance last year. These came from Walmart. These I believe was Dollar General. These I don't remember. I've had these actually several years. So I'm going to, I'll start with the icy looking stuff in the back. And the 2 picks that I'm making will be similar without being identical. So I'll go with these icy looking pieces in the back, and then some of these that look like mistletoe, I'll go in front of that because I do want a little pop of green. Don't want to cover too much of that icy stuff. Let's see, arrange these. This one's not got a whole lot of the crystals like the other ones, so I'll stick an extra piece of white in with that, and then the green, and then I'll just zip tie these together and put them into the stockings. You know what, I'm going to add some of this white, looks like frosted eucalyptus. I'll do a couple of these on the sides. And once I have it like I like it, I'll just go all the way around those pieces and cinch that zip tie. There, that looks nice. I'm going to wrap my zip tie. because I want it to be wide enough that it looks like the stocking is nice and full. Stocking, the glove, the snowy glove. And I will go right in the tops of those. Make sure I got that cuff tucked down. And I'll put in my arrangement. Ooh, looking pretty. Now I want to also add some jingle bells on this. So I got these from Dollar Tree as well. And, you know, that'll probably add a nice little extra touch there. So I'll split the ends. And they'll roll up a bit. Well, not with the bells though. I guess I'll drag it down. And I will stuff that through. Use my scissors to make those shorter strands curl. I'm not trying to get them all the same size. I like having a little variety in that. Now I'm going to tie these together. I want these to be at different lengths. So I'll lay them down, decide how I want them. Like so. Then I'll bring that ribbon together at the top. And like that. And then curl the top of the ribbon. And I'll go ahead and zip tie that in on one of these outside branches. I'll go just below the knot. Cinch that up. For a hanger, I'm going to use a bit of this blanket yarn. I'll tie a couple of knots. So I've got something sturdy to glue to, because I will just be hot gluing this on the back. Let's go about right there. That'll be all right. Glue there, glue there. And then I'm going to take that piece that I've got left over. I'm going to glue the ends down like so, and then put that across the back to cover up the ugliness of the hanger. Put a lot of glue on that side because I want it to get all the way through where I turned it under. And I'll just flip that under right there. And there it is, all finished on my dirty front door. Don't judge. I know I need to wash it. But doesn't that white look great with the dark green? And the little pops of light green on the little what I'm calling mistletoe bunches adds quite the nice touch. I like everything about this, and I hope you do too. If you do, let me know by clicking the thumbs up button on your way out. Until next time, bye-bye.